Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Ms. Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Thursday, November 21st, 2019. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Today, celebrating a birthday in kinder, we have Alessandro Gonzalez Zarate and Eduardo Gonzalez Zarate. Have an amazing, amazing birthday, boys. All right, today we're focusing on Rattlers being respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Also, remember to cover your mouth when you sneeze or cough and say excuse me. So today is Thursday. That means you return to your fourth block for academic block. Some of you, if you are not in your 80s outfit, you will be in your regular uniform. Take some time to check that now. Also, today, 1st and 3rd grade, good luck on your math tests. And 3rd, 4th, and 5th, get ready for your reading test tomorrow. Today is the last day we are packaging up the boxes and sending them off to the food drive. But if you happen to bring an extra can or so, make sure you bring it to Miss Caroline as soon as possible. You guys, we are on a roll with ADA. This is our 4th day in a row hitting ADA. I am so proud of you all. We hit 97.5 on the head again yesterday. So I'm so proud of you. Let's hopefully hit it again today. Our health fact of the day is smelling rosemary can increase alertness and improve memory. So I'm considering bringing rosemary and spreading it around the school on Star. I have a special shout out to a 2nd grader, Mr. Kyrie. Thank you so much for helping in the cafeteria and really just being a Rattler leader. We are so proud of you and we appreciate you helping out when no one even asked you to. Have a great day, Kyrie. Thank you again. Our attendance challenge, make sure you arrive tomorrow as well because you have 9 days off. We want to make sure that you finish out this week strong and that you're entered in our attendance challenge. I hope you had a great time dressing up this week, and tomorrow is Free Friday dress. I'm going to be wearing my Aggie gear, so if you wear your A&M shirts, we may match. All right, this is exciting. We have more students that have won turkeys or hams for Thanksgiving. So look up here and see if your name's on there, and we'll help you get that turkey home. So you guys are under the blue portion, so you're in academy. So first, there's kinder is 0, and then 1st through 5th grade. So see if your name is up there. If it is, tell your homeroom teacher, and we will make sure your parents get the turkey. Here's another plug for our 2nd grade Winter Wonderland dance that everyone is invited to, and it is on December 30th. Please say the Rumberg Academy chant with me. Ready? Rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. And Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. Make it a wonderful, thundering thinking throwback Thursday. And remember, the choice is all yours. And remember, you have one more day. Make it a really, really good day today and show up tomorrow. Finish out the week strong. And then you don't have to come back next week. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Have an amazing day. Teachers, please take attendance and call the parents whose students are not in your classroom. And then message the ADA text, and hopefully we'll hit it again today.